Hello students, this is our maths class. In this video, I will explain remaining sums of exercise 1.1. So now come to sixth sum. See the question. Let A equal to x belongs to whole number such that x less than 2 and set B equal to x belongs to natural number such that 1 less than x less than or equal to 4 and set C equal to 3, 5. Verify that given property. First property, A cross of B union C equal to A cross B union of A cross C. See, in this question, set A and set B are given in set builder form. So, first you change this one in roster form. See the first set A equal to x belongs to whole number such that x less than 2, which means whole number starts from 0 up to less than 2. Then the elements of A equal to 0, 1. Then set B equal to x belongs to natural number such that 1 less than x less than or equal to 4. Then means set B equal to 2, 3, 4. Then set C equal to 3, 5, which is given in the question. So now come to the first subdivision. A cross of B union C equal to A cross B union of A cross C. In this property, first you take LHS, left hand side, A cross of B union C. First step, you do the bracket term, that is B union C is equal to universal set of B and C. Universal set of B and C, 2, 3, 4, set B, union of 3, 5. Then B union C equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next step, A cross of B union C equal to set A 0, 1 cross B union C 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the Cartesian product of these two sets, we get the ordered pair 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. Then next element 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 and 1, 5. Then next you take RHS, right hand side, that is A cross B union of A cross C. So in this also you take first bracket term, that is A cross B equal to set A element 0, 1 cross B element 2, 3, 4. Then the Cartesian product of these two sets, we get ordered pairs 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Then next element 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. Then next bracket term A cross C equal to 0, 1 cross C set 3, 5. Then the ordered pair 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3 and 1, 5. Then the final step, A cross B union of A cross C, which means universal set of A cross B and A cross C. Then you join these two ordered pairs and write. So first you write 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 and 1, 5. So this is RHS answer. You take 1. In left hand side answer you take 1. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we get A cross of B union C is equal to A cross B union of A cross C. Hence verified. Students, like this model, you do next two subdivision using these elements. Okay, now we move on to the next sum, 7th sum. Okay, see the 7th sum. Let A equal to set of all natural numbers less than 8. Set B equal to set of all prime number less than 8. Set C equal to set of even prime number. Verify that first given property. See, in this question, set A, B, C are given by descriptive form. Okay, first we have to change these in roster form. See the first set, A equal to the set of all natural number less than 8. That means natural number starts from 1 to less than 8. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't write 8 because in here in question less than 8 is given. So you write up to 7. Then see the set B, the set of all prime number less than 8. So prime number, students, keep it in the mind, 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. You start the prime number from 2. 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, because in the question less than 8 is given, so you stop it 7. Then set C, the set of even prime number. See, which is even prime number? 2 alone even prime number. So now we get the element of set A, set B and set C. Now come to the property. First property, A intersect B of cross C equal to A cross C intersect of B cross C. Then take left hand side, LHS A intersect B cross C. First you take bracket term A intersect B. Intersect means common element. Okay. See set A and set B common element. See here set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set B 2, 3, 5, 7. So which are common elements? 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, these are common elements. So A intersect B 2, 3, 5, 7. Then next step, A intersect B cross C. It means A intersect B element 2, 3, 5, 7 cross C element 2 alone. Okay. Now you find ordered pair. Ordered pair of A intersect B cross C equal to 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2 and 7, 2. This is the answer for left hand side. So you keep this step in 1. Okay, next we take RHS. Right hand side, that is A cross C intersect B cross C. So first you find first bracket term A cross C equal to A element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross C element 2. Okay, now find the ordered pair. Then we get 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2 and 7, 2. Then next bracket term B cross C equal to set B 2, 3, 5, 7 cross set C 2. Then we get the ordered pair 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. So next we find A cross C intersect of B cross C. Then means common element, common ordered pair of set A cross C and B cross C. Then see previous step. So which are all common ordered pair? Find it 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2 and 7, 2. These ordered pairs are common. Take down and write 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2 and 7, 2. This is the RHS answer. So you take the step 2. So now see the first step and the second step. LHS answer also 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2 and 7, 2. RHS answer you see. And here also 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2 and 7, 2. From these what you get concluded? From 1 and 2 we get A intersect B cross C equal to A cross C intersect of B cross C. Hence verified. Students, next subdivision you try to do the homework using this same elements of set A, set B and set C. Okay. Students, in last week class I gave homework 4th and 5th sum. So have a look and correct it. In this 4th sum, in this question set A, set B, set C elements are given. We have to verify A cross A equal to B cross B intersect of C cross C. So first you have to find out left hand side A cross A ordered pair. 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5 and 6 comma 6. Then right hand side, B cross B intersects C cross C. First bracket, B cross B ordered pairs are 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Then next bracket term, C cross C. Ordered pair 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 5 comma 7, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6, 6 comma 7, 7 comma 5, 7 comma 6, 7 comma 7. Then last step, B cross B intersects C cross C. So in this both ordered pair, common pairs alone take down and write. See here 4 comma 4 to 6 comma 6 and here 5 comma 5 to 7 comma 7. Here which are all common ordered pair, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. These alone common ordered pairs. So you take down and write 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Then LHS answer and RHS answer. Check it whether it is equal or not. Equal. So hence from 1 and 2 we get A cross A equal to B cross B intersect of C cross C, hence verified. Then come to the next sum. This also I gave homework. Have a look and correct it. Given set A, set B, set C, set D elements are given. Check the given property. A intersect C cross of B intersect D equal to A cross B intersect of C cross D is true. Is true means whether LHS and RHS answers are equal, it is true. Okay. Then first you take left hand side, A intersect C cross B intersect D. First subdivision A intersect C, which means intersect of common element of set A and set B, that is 3. Okay. B intersect D, it means common element of set B and set D. Here 3 comma 5. Then cross product of these two sets 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 5. Okay. Then next step, RHS, right hand side, A cross B intersect of C cross D. So first you find out A cross B ordered pair 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. Then second bracket term ordered pair C cross D 3 comma 1, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 3, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5. Then these both Cartesian product ordered pairs. Then last step, A cross B intersect of B C cross D. Then means write the common ordered pair of these two steps. So here which are all common? 3 comma 3 are common, then 3 comma 5. These two ordered pair alone common. So you take down and write 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. This one you take a second step. Then see the first step. First step also 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. And second step also 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 5. So from 1 and 2 we get verify the given property. So LHS and RHS equal, therefore hence it is true. Okay students, have a look and correct the homework. Suppose you make a mistake, do again. Okay. Today's homework, exercise 1.1, 6th second subdivision and third subdivision, and 7th question second subdivision alone. Okay students, I hope you understand how to calculate the Cartesian product actually. It is very easy, little bit of practice. So students, keep practice and keep on practice at home. Thank you.